Hello, Mirror Protocol token holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another latest update video about Mirror Protocol token. Guys, what's going on in a MIR token? What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Mirror Protocol? Let me show you these all things clear in this short video. But if you're new in my channel, please click the subscribe button right now, guys. So guys, unfortunately, Mirror Protocol price are continuously dumping, but right now guys, it start positive changes, guys. It start positive changes, so don't worry about it. Let me show you the whole latest update about MIR coin. 0.1899 US dollar, that's the current price of Mirror Protocol. And on other side, if you see the changes, so negative 13.32%, negative 13.32%, the price changes occur in the Mirror Protocol are continuously negative. So that's mean that continuously the price changes are dumping at the market, guys. Let me show you the last 24 hours trading volume of Mirror Protocol. You can see here, unfortunately, negative 14.15%, 14.15%. The Mirror Protocol changes are also negative. So the changes are also going very bad negative, and bad changes occur in the Mirror Protocol.